Hello, hi there. I hope you're all fine. I'm Enrique Chombo and I'm your English teacher. Tonight we are going to work on making a jack-o'-lantern. The jack-o'-lantern is a great American tradition which came from Ireland, and obviously this is part of the Halloween night, and we can find it only in Ireland, the United States, and probably now in Mexico. For making our jack-o'-lantern, we will need one tip-pointed knife, whether with a saw or a flat. And in some cases, you may find pumpkin carving sets. They are sold in supermarkets all over Mexico City, so if you want to go and spend some money there, you can get it there, okay? What else are you going to use? You're going to need a candle or an electrical lamp. And you will need a marker to draw the face of the jack-o'-lantern. What comes next is to use our marker to start making the lines we require to draw the kind of figures we want to have in our jack-o'-lantern, correct? Now, it's about time to start carving. Now that you have made all the necessary cutting, it's about time to remove all the unnecessary debris inside our pumpkin. We can use a spoon, a regular spoon, cooking spoon, or we can use this specific tool that we have got in the store. And then we're placing the debris in a bowl like this one. That's a bowl that all families have one in the kitchen, mom's kitchen, right? The debris can be used also to prepare some Mexican style pumpkin candy, right? We have already removed the eyes, the mouth, and the nose parts. Now we have to cut into the pumpkin to get rid of most of the flesh so we can make our pumpkin, our jack-o'-lantern, last longer. Now we're finishing our jack-o'-lantern, placing the candle inside. I'm using a large candle because it's safer than using a small one. Happy Halloween to all of you.
Ha 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 ha!
You can use it right in front of your porch and say you have been good grand, right? So enjoy your Halloween.
Happy Halloween!